Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about security. Security is of different types. They are authentication control, IP address restriction, secure communication through SSL and client certificates. Authentication control. It is the process of ensuring the user's identity and authenticity. We can control who can visit the page by setting the anonymous access and authentication control in File Security tab. When the visitor attempts to visit the page, it asks for the username and password. If the user enters the correct username and password, visitor can enter the ASP.NET page, else it displays the error page. IP address restrictions. IP restriction is another way to secure the page from the visitors. We can grant access or deny access by adding the IP address in the IP address access restrictions in the File Security tab. The IP address can be added in the list and we can choose the option either grant access or deny access. Granted access allows the visitor to view the page. Denied access does not allow the visitor to view the page. Secure communication through SSL. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. SSL is used to transfer the information in an encrypted form. This can be done through SSL. File Security tab. Under the File Security tab, we want to choose the option Secure Communications. In that, we want to select the checkbox Require Secure Channel. When the Require Secure Channel is set through SSL, we can visit the page with HTTPS so that the informations are transferred in encrypted form. Client certificates. We can identify a user at our site through client certificates. Client certificates tell that the person who is visiting the site. User gets a certificate from a certificate authority. A certificate authority acts as the identifying agent between the user and the visitor. So this can be done using the File Security tab. Under the File Security tab, select the option Secure Communication and select the Require Client Certificate checkbox. Thank you.